Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is all about our August Boxycharm.
Be your own best, beautiful.
Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, share this video out if you do enjoy the content, it really does help my channel a lot, and turn on your bell notifications so you're notified of future videos. If you are unfamiliar with the Base Box Boxycharm, this is a $25 monthly beauty makeup subscription box where you'll receive 5 full-size makeup beauty type items, and the value is supposed to be at least $125. So we are going to dive in and let's see what we have. So each month, of course, is a particular theme, and this month's theme is Go All Out. I'm going to hide the back because that tells us everything in our box. And my version is going to be right here for you guys. I'll hold it here for just a second. First up, I see a Elise Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream, SPF of 40. That sounds incredible, and it's in medium warm. Oh, I'm excited about this. You guys know this is my vibe. I love BB creams, lighter, more soft, dewy, luminous type of foundations. And I really do love Elise. Their standard BB or CC cream that I have already, I've used over half of it, and I love it. I think it's a beautiful formulation. So already starting off on the right foot. Next up, I see a Mally Evercolor Gel Waterproof Liner in the shade Onyx. So I'm just going to assume standard black. That is what the packaging looks like. And I actually used to use Mally Cosmetics a lot. Y'all know I'm a QVC hoe, a QVC junkie. I have been, and I've watched QVC since I was 9 years old with my mother. So it is a standard pencil. It is in black, and it is retractable, which I like. I will swatch it really quickly. That is incredibly black, and I'm barely touching my skin, so I think that's going to be a beautiful formula. I used to use her shadow sticks like they were going out of style. She had this beautiful kind of varnished goldy green shade that I absolutely loved, and every time I wore that particular green, everybody asked me if I had contacts in. People always thought that I had hazel eyes, so that's, I think, where my love for green shadows started. Yeah. So I love that, and 2 makeup items thus far. Next up is something called Frank Body Booty Drops. Firming body oil with caffeine, and it says it's a butt forklift. Okay, we're gonna read up on this. Next up is a, oh yes, Kate Somerville, the Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer. I don't even think I realized that she did moisturizers. One of my holy grail products is her Exfolikate, like the actual exfoliation product. It's in my shower currently, so I'm really excited to test this out as well. And then last but certainly not least, we have a Jekka Black Play Pot, vegan and cruelty free, shimmer finish. I guess the shade is Pink Pearl. And it says a cream pigment for your eyes, your lips, and your cheeks. Oh, that sounds very interesting. Okay, I just want to see what it looks like. Oh, wow. Oh, that is really beautiful. This kind of reminds me of like Glossy A packaging. And it is almost like a cream blush type of consistency. And it's this really beautiful, I'm going to call it like a very light plummy purple. And it does look like it has a little bit of a reflect in it. Oh, that feels not, oh, it does. It has tons of glitters in here. I don't believe I would put this on my lips because even rubbing it now just with my finger, I can actually feel the glitter particles. But it's really beautiful. The glitters in it are absolutely stunning. So let's dive into the deets. I love this box overall for sure. So the Kate Somerville Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer, I am excited by this. Revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. And that is a full size, and it is $70. So right there is well worth the price of admission. The Elise Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream with SPF 40. That sounds incredible. A multitasking serum infused with beauty balm that contains a B word, algae collagen and vitamin C to firm the skin's elasticity, brighten, and moisturize, all while providing full, natural, glowy coverage and protecting your skin with SPF 40. And that is a retail value of $38. The Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. Drop it like you're hot. Booty Drops is a firming body oil to help smooth you over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, guarana to energize, carrot root extract to hydrate, plus grapeseed and jojoba oils to soften skin and get you glowing. Drop it straight onto your booty for soft and firm skin. Or you can mix it with your moisturizer for extra perks, and it is $17.95. That sounds quite interesting. The Mally Beauty Evercolor Gel Waterproof Liner. If this is half as good as her shadow sticks that I was obsessed with, then I'm going to love it. Your new go-to liner. This creamy, long-lasting gel formula glides on easily to fiercely line and define. That is $19. And then last is our Jecca Black Play Pot. Play pots are cream pigments that can be used on the eyes, lips, and cheeks. As cream pigments, they're super easy to effortlessly blend out while still offering you high-impact pigment with a vegan and cruelty-free formula. And that is $21.50. So I will put the total value of our box right here. Yeah, I think this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know how much use I would personally get out of it. That's just a personal thing. But all these other products sound incredible, especially these two. Because y'all know I'm all about the glowy, the dewy, taking care of my skin, aging gracefully. I don't mind getting older, okay, at all. A lot of people don't get to live to see their 40s. So I'm grateful to age. I just want to age gracefully. So definitely overall a fantastic box. I love the box. I love the contents that are in here. So that is it for my short and sweet Boxycharm unboxing for August. This is our base box. And as always, my Boxycharm referral code is always down below in my description box. What did you get in your Boxycharm? Comment down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.